sensibility and practicality define the 2008 Mini Cooper. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this hatchback hits the mark with consumers demanding economical versatility. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, speed-sensitive wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.